Is the era of Telegram click to earn bots over? No, it is not. There is a brand new project. Watch this video until the end. Don't forget to click the screen to receive the airdrop. Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. Today, we are back with another video on the click to earn trend that we have been exploring together for 6 or even 7-8 months. In today's video, we will examine the Telegram click to earn bot of Suebirds, which is the most hyped project recently. Before we move on to our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our video. You can be the first to know about our updates by clicking the notification icon. If you liked our video and left a comment, let's quickly move to Telegram and take a look at Suebirds together. Yes, as you can see, our Telegram bot has arrived, friends. So, what is Suebirds, friends? Suebirds is a classic normal Telegram bot, just like other Telegram bots. Here, we press start. After reaching the burst screen, I click continue and enter the application. What is the logic of the application here? Friends, it is completely to level up our eggs. How do we level up our eggs? We can level them up with the bursts we earn. So, how do we earn these bursts, friends? We come to the test section from here. As you can see in the task section, there are multiple tasks. I will go ahead and complete them as you can see. It says to subscribe to YouTube. Let me quickly verify that I am a human, not a bot. I said yes. I came back immediately. I am waiting a little. As you can see, the task has been approved. I said to join it immediately. I backed out before joining. I am waiting. It didn't happen here, so we must participate. It only happens in applications outside of Telegram. For example, on X, on YouTube. Even if you don't subscribe, just exit immediately. It's being approved, friends. Such things happen outside of Telegram. Let's look at simple tasks. It says like, report. It says comment. Let's do these right away. Let's do it. As you can see, I completed 3 tasks. I immediately returned to my main screen. My bird count increased from 200 to 800. I upgraded my egg. How much? In 1 hour, my egg will level up from level 3 to level 4. Friends, the goal of the game is entirely this. As you saw in the test section, there are the Cetus protocol and the Navi protocol. Both are projects in the water oil sector. We have already mentioned Cetus to you in our live broadcasts, starting from 6 cents. It has now risen to 18, even up to 22 cents. Currently, it is fluctuating around 18 cents. You can join us to take advantage of these kinds of privileges. Friends, what are the tasks for the Navi protocol? First, follow the site. Join Telegram channels. Visit the websites. Like and retweet. And it says to invest 50 Navi stocks into the wallet. So how do I create the wallet here? I created it just before the new video. You immediately set a password. Then you keep the words given to you. That's it. It doesn't even require you to confirm the words, as you can see. I clicked on the wallet section. My wallet is currently visible here. Zero water. If I want to invest anything here, it has to be in water oil, friends. For example, are you going to invest in Navy? You will send it in water oil. I'm pressing this reself. I'm copying it here. From here, I can send whatever I want to this wallet, friends. Keep that in mind. If you also want to play Suebirds, you can come through the link in the description. Friends, here we can again receive a free airdrop. We received a lot of airdrops from Docs, Notcoin, and Hamster before. We received so many that I can't even remember them all now. So, which applications will give us airdrops after Burst, friends? Let's move on to our next application. Yes, the other project from which we can potentially receive an airdrop is the Bloom project that we have been telling you about for months. Friends, Bloom is late, but I feel like it will be worth the wait on Bloom's side. What were we doing on Bloom's side? I haven't done it in a while either. Let's dive in thanks to the video. What were we doing on the Bloom side? We were just claiming. Now we say start farming and we wait, friends. We click every 8 hours and there are additional tasks here. There is a drop game, as you can see. And aside from the bombs, we can also earn Bloom by collecting greens. A new code has come on the Bloom side. And now we will be able to earn docs in these games as well. It hasn't arrived yet. But when it does, we will talk about it everywhere. Videos, shorts, tweets. When we click on this ice, the screen freezes and we can quickly gather. As you can see, let me click on this ice one last time. Let me clean it up quickly from bottom to top. Yes, here in Bloom, if we press the bombs like this, the Bloom points we collect decrease, friends. This way, we can also earn Bloom. Oh, how nice. Let me break this ice too. My knowledge got tangled up. In Bloom, we can also earn points in this way. Friends, let's quickly move on to our next project. Our other bot is Moonbix, friends. As you know, it is Binance's official bot. We are also expecting a nice airdrop from Moonbix, friends. Let's go ahead and continue. What was our goal in the game here? Think of it like treasure hunting, friends. My phone lagged a bit because I was recording the screen. We are collecting the golds, or gift boxes here. We earn points based on how much we collect, friends. If we collect craters, as we are now, we earn negative points. This is also the goal in Moonbix. We are expecting a nice airdrop from Moonbix. By the way, all the game links are in the description, friends. Don't forget to join them all. We received some really nice airdrops here before. We are confident that we will earn again. We play as if we are playing a game and we earn money. Think of it this way. Let's finish this with Moonbix and move on to our other airdrop. Yes, friends, our other Telegram bot is Crazy Rush Hryos Alpha. This game is really the most fun game among them. The game of Animaku branches is one of the largest investors in the world. What are we doing right here? Let me just show you our character. We are guiding it, friends. You can already see on the screen that it's very entertaining. It's a game you can play for half an hour when you sit down. This is how you earn points by hitting. You collect gold. As you gather gold, you can acquire features, different things. When you get close to these bombs, they explode. Classic bomb. Look, I got the gold. I'm giving an example. Why should I increase it? Let my range damage increase. What a beautiful game. If I get hooked on this game now, it won't be good. The same goes for friends. All of them have different games, but the same tasks. You complete tasks. You earn extra points. You invite your friends. You earn extra points. That's the situation. What are you doing? You're entering all the games. You're inviting your friends. Where are you coming from to the games? All the links are in the description. Friends, we just exited this game. We switched to our other Telegram bot. Yes, our next Telegram bot is OKX's Razor bot, friends. The only thing we need to do in this bot is to predict whether the price of Bitcoin in 5 seconds will be higher or lower than its current price. I'm giving an example. I said moon. I wait for 5 seconds, and if the price is higher than what I predicted after those 5 seconds, I earn points. If it turns out lower, I didn't earn points. Let's also say doom. We have a moon. We have our moon, and we have doom, which is downward. Yes, as you can see, we earned our points. They were added to the total. Here, you can also earn extra points by completing tasks and inviting your friends. We are also expecting an airdrop from this bot. Yes, our next application is YesCoin. Friends, YesCoin has not been listed yet. I think we can win a nice airdrop on the YesCoin side as well. What were we doing in YesCoin? We are just dragging our finger on the screen. Similarly, we can earn extra points by inviting our friends. When I look at the bottom right side of YesCoin, yes, I saw the boards here. Yes, summer. Oh my, what's happening when I look at Binance? Let's take a look together. We haven't checked YesCoin in a while. These are tasks. Forget about the tasks. We are currently in the video. I don't have time to do the tasks. I can do these after the video. Yes, I also bought a bot for YesCoin. I am not interested at all. As long as it stays open, it seems to be collecting YesCoins on my end, as you can see. We might also win a nice airdrop on the YesCoin side. Friends, just so you know. Yes, friends, there are hundreds, even thousands of projects in Click to Earn. We have shared the best projects that we like with you. We have evaluated the Click to Earn hype very well from the beginning. Let's squeeze the last drops while we continue. Don't forget to follow us to not miss out on new hype. We will evaluate the new hype together in the best way again. This time we earned dollars by clicking. Let's see what we will do with the other Alps and how we will make money. Don't forget to follow us so you don't miss other updates. See you in the next videos. Take care.